ready to skyrocket your email list and connect with your audience like never before. Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate ConvertKit with your Squarespace website. First, log into your ConvertKit account, then click Landing Pages and Forms. Usually located in the top navigation bar, choose the form you want to embed, or go ahead and create a new one tailored to your audience. Now that you have selected or built your form, click on the Embed option. This section gives you various options. Select the HTML option. This is the code we'll use in Squarespace. Now head over to your Squarespace website and navigate to the page where you want to display your ConvertKit form. Click Edit on the page, then add a code block wherever you want the form to appear. Paste the HTML code you copied from ConvertKit directly into this code block. You might see a placeholder or a preview of the form. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Click Apply or Save within the code block. Then save the changes to your Squarespace page. Your ConvertKit form should now be beautifully embedded on your website, ready to capture those leads. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ConvertKit with Squarespace.